Example 7.4. Let's assume MKZ Airlines has $100 in owner's equity. Let's assume it earns $25 in profits this year. In other words, return on equity is 25% because profits divided by owner's equity is 25 divided by 100 or 25%. So let's just put that in Excel. So capital is 100. Earnings are 25. And ROE is equal to this divided by this, 25%. Shift control 5. Alt OE. Now percentage, let's put 1 decimal. Okay. Assuming a payout ratio of 20%. So payout, so that means dividend. Dividends paid out by the company are earnings times 0.2, 20%. So payout is 20%. So let's just connect this. So this times that is $5. That's a dividend. So we have to find out the dividends paid. We just did that. Now the plowback ratio. Plowback. If we paid out 20%, we would plow back 80%, the remaining. So plowback ratio is 0.8 or 80%. And then please verify using dividend. So what are we doing here? Equity capital next year. Got it. So we plowed back 80%, which means equity plowed back is 80% of the earnings, 80% of $25. So the next year's equity capital will be equal to this plus this. Next year's earnings would be same, 25%, which is no. Okay, I see. Okay, we have to reverse it now. Equals 25% times that. Oh God, sorry. Equals 25% times that. And then control R, 25% return on equity. Payout ratio is 20%. Dividend is going to be $6. Plowback is 80%. Equity plowed back is 24%. Now, there's another way in which we can find out the growth rate. So we know that G equals E, the return on equity times plowback. So return on equity is 25% times the plowback. That is 20%. So we know that G equals E times P. Return on equity is 25%. Plowback is 80%. So this is the G. But there's another way to find out G, because this is period 0 and this is period 1. We know that the dividends have grown. So how much have they grown by? So equals this minus this divided by this is 20%. Percentage and 1 decimal. So this is another way to find out the growth rate of dividends. So G is 20%. And so we found out, to summarize, the plowback ratio is 80%, the equity capital, new equity capital is 120, and the return on equity is still 25%, and the growth rate is 20%. That is example 7.4. Thank you for listening.